So here to conduct this grand finale, we have a person. We have two MCs, very dynamic people. Now these two MCs will conduct the program as the master of ceremony. Now I'd like to introduce both these dynamic people, wonderful people. And this, the first of the two MCs, is a very dynamic person who's been in Milt right from the year 2001 and 2002. Very, very hardworking person, a fitness freak who represents the country even at this age, because being a veteran in sports represents India and is a dynamic athlete and also trains people on fitness. So this person is also married, found a life partner in Milt. So therefore Milt has been a double bonanza for her, because not only she got a life back, she also got a husband, a wonderful person, and happily married to Miltonian Uday Karelia. Blessed with two wonderful children, wonderful daughters. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure and privilege to introduce to you the first of the two MCs, Miltonian Sucharita Karelia. Can we give her a big applause?
Hey, come on! Woo!
Okay, now we have the next MC, and a person whom I probably knew for many years. When I went to Kolkata in the year 2001 to conduct training programs, this person joined the program. A very lively person, and here this person not only was committed as a joint secretary in Kolkata chapter, but when I did this PPW workshop, I asked her, can you also assist me as a trainer? The reason being, she's a doctorate in psychology and a very apt person, having known Milt to a great extent. So here she was there, and I asked her whether she can do the needful, and she was there immediately to do it. And not only she was a trainer, she really built people up so that when they come into the classroom, they're really prepared for me to really train them further. So this is the impact we gave on the participants. Now this person is a happily married person to Rohit and blessed with a beautiful son. A dynamic person, an entrepreneur, and also a counselor. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure and privilege to introduce to you the second MC, Miltonian Sujata Agarwal.
Hey, come on! Hey.
Okay, so here, ladies and gentlemen, we have these people as we are master of ceremonies, and now they're going to lead the entire proceedings, and I leave the floor open to them. As they are doing the master of ceremony, I request your cooperation to ensure not to unmute your microphones and create disturbance in the program. We certainly appreciate your cooperation. Over to you, Sujata.
Thank you, Danny. It is indeed a privilege to be back again on the grand finale of PPW Batch 13. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take the privilege of calling today our first Milt Peak Performer Workshop. Experienced senior and serene and airline executive working with Fly Dubai from the grand city of Dubai, let me take the privilege to call upon Milt Peak Performer Rajashekharan Ramesh Anantaraman.
Yay.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Sujata. And good evening all. I had attended many leadership courses, many spiritual courses, and a member of Toastmasters International in public speaking. What I did learn in PPW was the essence of all of these about leadership, about spirituality, about public speaking. In addition, something which unique I got out of PPW was to communicate in 2 minutes, be it speaking to inform, be it call for action, be it to convince anybody, everything in 2 minutes. This was unique and a fantastic learning experience for me. And I have decided that I'm going to continue my journey, not just handing over money or fish to people. I'm going to teach, educate as many people as I can. Thank you very much, Milt, and thank you very much, Daniel.
Yay!
Super! Hey!
Yay! Let's celebrate in milk style, please. Yay!
Yay!
Woo!
Thank you, Ramesh. I have seen that commitment in the session. Thank you so much. Yes, here we go. The next peak performer, the youngest and more energetic, enthusiastic hotel management student from the city of Garden, Bengaluru. Let's welcome Milt peak performer, Vadi Raja Nanjaraja.
Good evening, everyone. You know, from a very young age, I've been taught to lead from the front and to be a leader. Courtesy, both my father and mother, both are Miltonian. So I can proudly say that I have the Miltonian blood in me. As I took on many leadership roles across the years from a very young age until today, you know, the human relation is very important. And I think Milt PPW course taught me the importance of human relation and also certain topics like emotion and anger. You know, as a as a young adolescent is very volatile. So I think that Milt PPW has really enriched my human relations and various topics and to become a better and great leader for tomorrow. Also, as they say, small drops contribute to a big ocean. Small contribution to the society is very valuable. How much ever we can, we should contribute to the society. So there is no contribution small or big to the society. That's what I learned, and I take a resolution to contribute in any way that I can contribute to the society and to be a better human being. Thank you, Milt, and thank you, Danny, once again.
Hey! Great one!
Thank you, Vadi. Indeed, Milt runs in the blood. We could see that in all the sessions. And it's a great resolution to give back to the society. All the best. And ladies and gentlemen, let me now call upon another peak performer who's got a meditative mindset, a complete health enthusiast, professionally a chartered accountant working with Pioneer Shipping Agency. Ladies and gentlemen, let's call upon from the city of Dubai, Ramakrishnan Subramaniam.
Good evening, Miltonians. When I joined Milt course, Mr. Velu advised me, you join this course, it is worthwhile for you. I was wondering what was this course about. He told, no, you just register. You'll find a big difference in you. Yes, he was true. Within a short span of 4 weeks, I could find a big change in myself. I learned 6 points. First point is more detailed dimension about the spirituality and how the spirituality is connected to the leadership. And the second one is human values, how to respect the human beings. From the HR relationship cards and other making reporting, fantastic. And the third point is convey your message in a short span of time to the point in a crisp and clear manner. And the fourth point is add emotions, live in the moment and bring the feelings along with that. And the fifth one is add energy to your words. That makes a lot of difference. And the last but not least, I got a beautiful family of Miltonians who want to contribute to the others and other living beings in this world. I already in the service of sponsoring the kids' education. Now I want to widen this one. And I got a lot of confidence from this peak performer workshop. I am on the top of the world. Thank you, Danny, and thank you, Mr. Velu and Miltonian and Aprosh Acharya.
Yay!
Come on. Yeah.
Thank you. Very well summarized. This is what Milt is specialized for. Yes, very well summarized. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath. Now comes the charming lady from the Bengaluru chapter, who is enthusiastic, energetic accounts head at Printex Solutions Private Limited, also a daughter-in-law of my dear Miltonian friend Dinakar Shetty. Let's welcome this peak performer from the Bengaluru, Miltonian Vidyashri Shetty. Yay!
Knowing is knowing, but doing is doing. We might be knowing all the knowledge in the world, but are we able to put it in 2 minutes? We can. We are trained under Danny, and we are Miltonians now. Before February 2021, this Milt was something new for me. I had never heard about it. I didn't know who is Apresh Acharya, Danny, Chinmay, or any of other great people. But when my father-in-law introduced me first about this course, I was curious to know more about it. But when a successful man like him dedicated all his success to the Milt, I was eager to know more about it. And I did associate with Milt by doing PEP course and also now with PPW. Milt is not only developing true leaders, it is also contributing better to the society. And we being associated with Milt, definitely we are giving best to our society. And finally, thank you very much for this forum. Thank you.
Fantastic. Come on, let's celebrate.
Thank you.
God.
Thank you, Vidya. Indeed, taking it from your father's legacy, you've actually carried forward Milt in the right spirit. Thanks to you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, sit back as I call upon yet another peak performer who's young and energetic, who initially had some phobia with maths, but now is fond of the subject. He works as a sales and marketing manager from the city of Sandalwood with Specialty Paper and Boards Private Limited. Let's call upon Milt peak performer, Syed Asfan Awaze.
Yay. Come on.
Hello everyone. It's been a great journey in Milt and all the sessions which I have been through. I was being referred
Excuse me.
on my HR, Miss Priyadarshini Gupta. It's been a great journey and great source of learning. Specifically, what I have learned to be over here is a better human being, a better version of me every day, how I can improve myself, a helping hand to the needy. What can I give to the society? In fact, what I can say is the principles what we all have been through, the HR cards, if we are adopting in our daily lives, for sure, it's going to be very helpful. It will help us to be a better human being. And we should all contribute to society from the knowledge what we have, sharing it to the children and the needy who are in need of it. And I would like to contribute whatever I am earning, though I have been doing till now, I would like to contribute more of my shares from my earnings so that I can give others a platform to reach their careers and others as well. I'll continuously be, I want to get induced with Sneha Maya children. I want to teach them. This has been, I'm very much motivated by listening to all these stories. For sure, I look forward that I'll get involved in all these. And the next thing is, I'll start doing more of social service. This has been my resolution. I'll ensure that I'll work on it. Thank you.
Yeah, come on, let's celebrate.
Yay.
Yes, Sayed. Thank you so much. Yes, Miltonians are known for their contribution. That gives them the satisfaction of life. Thank you so much, Sayed.
Thank you.
So, the gentleman who strongly spoke on the social evil, the dowry system, he also shared his own experience in the session. I'm touched by his talk. He is a financial controller at Denza's AEI Emirates LLC Finance from the land of sightseeing attractions, Dubai. Let's welcome Milt peak performer Sivakumar Ganapati.
Yay! Celebrate.
Good evening, all. I am a chartered accountant, cost accountant. After landing in Dubai, I have completed another 9 more financial qualifications, and some I got All India rank holder and the world rank holder also. But those qualifications got me the ticket to go for interview, getting the job. But leading a good life, happy life, I believe that this course is giving me immense pleasure to lead my remaining life. It is a holistic program spanning from self-realization and leadership program, spiritual, intellectual, and emotional aspect of every human being. I got to know now only the different types of talks. Talk to inform, talk to art, talk to convince, etc., which I didn't know earlier. If I didn't know these things, how I become a good leader? I understood that everyone is practicing the HR principle. The result will be the happiness, happiness, happiness in everyone's life, which leads to the better society for sure. I got friendship about 20 people from this PPW, and there are a lot of similarities between among ourselves, which we are actually celebrating, and we are accepting the differences among us. And a lot more people going to join. This program is definitely a good thing from everyone. It brings the good from everyone and makes a better person by connecting to the society. I will continue helping for education and treatment for the needy people. And I am going to start a trust to serve my grandparents and parents and give them the good life to give back to the society. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Yay. Thank you, Shivakumar. Truly well said. MILT is one platform which gives you immense happiness and polishes all your skills to make you a better leader and contribute back to the society and make you a complete, holistic, better human being. Ladies and gentlemen, let me now call upon a balanced and a matured lady working as a sales and logistics manager at Anthem Biosciences Private Limited from the Silicon Valley of India, the city of Bengaluru. Let's welcome peak performer, Miltonian Kavita.
Yay. Good evening, all. Actually, I was a kind of shy and introvert person. Because of this, I was not able to communicate with people properly. By attending this peak performer workshop, I became confident. Then I started noticing myself the following changes in me. So I could express myself better than earlier. I could speak confidently and loudly. My body language has been improved a lot. Then actually I was able to get on-spot ideas. And I was able to interact with people comfortably without any hesitation. And the practice of the valuable HR principles helped me to interact with and connect to people, more and more people. So I can say I am happy to join MILT. And I am glad and proud to say I am a Miltonian. Thank you.
Fantastic. Come on, let's celebrate.
Yes.
Great.
Thank you so much, Kavita. Yes. Sparing our time to listen to others is also a big contribution in this life. Thank you so much, Kavita. Well said. Let's moving on to the next peak performer. This peak performer strongly spoke on he strongly spoke on the relevant topic of choosing the political party candidates. When we go to shop, we choose a mobile with 10 different features. We are also responsible to choose the right candidate for the political parties. Very relevant topic he spoke. A banker at Commercial Bank of Internationals from the land of tourism, Dubai. Let's put your hands together to welcome MILT peak performer Faisal Mohammad Siddiqui.
Yeah, Faisal.
Hi, good evening, everyone. When Mr. Velu called me first time that you have to attend a course and I have just given your name, I didn't even ask him what is this session for, because I knew whatever Mr. Velu is suggesting, it will be best for me. He is a mentor for my two kids. They are attending the Toastmaster course offered by him. My brother's daughter is also attending his course. And all of them, they have improved significantly. I know Mr. Velu for quite some time. So I said, sir, yes, whatever you want to do, you do. Just let me know when I have to join. And I joined this course. And let me accept this, though I have read few books on success, human behavior. This course was totally different because, as Daniel rightly said in one of the sessions, that Aparesh Acharya has added the spirituality part, which was missing in the courses of, this Dale Carnegie. So here I came to know, I learned about, how to come out of the boundaries of your family, your religion, your caste, your country, and think for the betterment of the whole humanity and mankind. I'm very proud to, become a Miltonian. I'll become a torchbearer of Milt wherever I go. I will spread the word of Miltonian and Milt as much as possible. Thank you so much to all of you.
Hey.
Very well done. Very well done. Beautiful.
Thank you, Faisal. Indeed, Milt, as you must be aware, we do not do any marketing. It works only on word of mouth.
I know.
We as Miltonians are torchbearers of the legacy of Milt. So it's great to know that you're a part of our family now and you'll take this legacy forward. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me call upon a skilled and efficient sales and marketing person who works with SABIC from the dazzling city of Dubai. Let's call upon Milt peak performer, Vijaya Shankar.
Yeah, come on, let's celebrate. Come on.
Really, you can spotlight Aparesh for a few seconds.
Okay, let them finish this. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Vijay Shankar. For the past 4 weeks, Milt Peak Performer Workshop has impacted me a lot, actually. It changes in my life, brings a lot of changes in my life. The most important thing is like the structured speech. In 2 minutes, I can effectively communicate and convey the things, whatever I want to convey. It's something new for me. And I started living in a day-tight compartment. It increases the productivity of my life and work in day-to-day activities. I started living with the HR principle and the values. I started reading it every day morning. It went deep inside my mind. So in day-to-day life, whoever I meet, I call them with the name. I give due respect to them. And I started talking to the strangers. It gives a lot of good feelings. Like it's opened up my mind. And I started spreading the unconditional love everywhere. So I started contributing these things. So it makes me very happy. And also the HR talk, with that we opened up, we relived our life, and it's like narrating our biography. And it was a great learning to know from others also. I thank Mr. Daniel, because it was a wonderful training program embedded with scientific and spiritual aspect of life. And I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Velu, who introduced me this one. And I'm very grateful to the founder member and the founder of this Milt, Mr. Aparesh Acharya. Thank you. Thanks a lot. You made a big change in my life.
Okay, right.
Thank you.
Sorry to interrupt. We have Aparesh Acharya over here, a founder, and we thank Aparesh for being part of this. We are projecting him now because he might not be in the screen for a long time. So he's the person who's the cause for everything. A dynamic person that he is. He has changed and transformed thousands of people's life. And today, we people are transforming. So can we give a big applause to Aparesh?
Yay!
Credit to you, Aparesh.
Good evening.
Love you.
Hello, Aparesh.
COVID. Aparesh is a great fighter. Throughout his life, he fought. He never complained. I remember in between, I asked him, he says, what is the point of complaining? So therefore, that's how Aparesh, what he spoke, he's living, and today's presence is motivating us. Thank you so much, Aparesh. Thank you. Thank you, Aparesh. Thank you. Thank you.
Aparesh, thank you very much. Srikanth.
Right. Thank you. Over to you.
And he has come out of COVID-19 very successfully, Aparesh. Very successfully. That should be noted here.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Yes,
right.
exactly.
And we'll get back to Aparesh later. Thank you so much, Sucharita. Over to you.
Thank you, Danny. Thank you, Vijay, for that wonderful resolution of following the HR rules. That makes us special from the rest. Thank you so much. Next, we are moving for the next peak performer, who is the junior most in the batch. A student, very energetic, aspiring to become an actor, also believes in education. He says education is the most important thing to be successful. He is from the garden city of Bengaluru. Put your hands together to welcome Milt Peak performer Vidur Atri.
Hello everybody, and I'm great for Milt program, and I'm very I've been successful due to Milt program. First I was shy, can't speak in front of people, but now due to Milt program I can speak in front of all the crowd. And also thank you for Danny sir to encourage me to let me speak more. I've used principles a lot. I've used principles. I have understand people. I respect people from now on. I talk to strangers, and I do many things else for due to Milt program. Thank everybody.
Wow!
Thank you.
Vidur, amazing, amazing, fantastic.
Hey, Vidur, you're lucky enough to be trained with Milt at an age, and that's going to take you in the. My next call goes to a very sensitive and seasoned person. He's the Senior Director Commercial at Damac Properties Company LLC, specialized in procurement management from the fastest city of Dubai. Let's welcome peak performer Pramil Shivaraman Menon.
Good evening, everyone. When Mr. Velu mentioned to me about this PPW course, I thought this is just an ordinary leadership training or a public speaking training. But after undergoing this peak performance workshop, I understood it not only inculcates the leadership qualities, but also makes changes in the overall outlook of the person. The highlight of the program is the HR card given after every session. These principles make an impact on me more than anything else. When Danny makes everyone repeat the HR principles aloud after the session, that it becomes like an oath, and it gets concreted within the mind. That impacted me. HR covers all the aspects of the life, right from personal life, family, career, etc., etc. I feel this is a simpler form of Bhagavad Gita, like practicing and reading and practicing principles of Bhagavad Gita. If we practice all these principles in our daily life, our life will become very peaceful and successful in all spheres. I'm 100% sure about that. Now, I have decided, my dear friends, that I will practice all the principles. I have printed out everything, laminated all the principles, and every day I'm practicing that, reading that aloud. I'm explaining this to my children also, and I vouch to everybody that I will practice, and I will from a receiver to an unconditional contributor to the society. And with this, I thank Mr. Velu for introducing me to such a wonderful session, and also Mr. Danny for imparting all the valuable teachings to us. Thank you. Hey, amazing.
Yay.
Lovely.
Yes, Pramil. These HR cards, these makes a lot of difference in our life. Milt is not only just doing the course and going out. Milt is all about living the life with the Milt principles, and being with the Milt fraternity makes the difference. Thank you so much. That's a fire in you. You are showing the HR cards. That's great. I appreciate that. Let's move. This person, the next person who is going to come here is, I have seen the lot of change from the first session to the last session. He is so sincere and so timid he was, but he was drastically changed himself in the last session. Really salute to that, this peak performer. He is none other than he is from the city of, IT city of Bengaluru, a senior business development executive at Glory Infinity Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to welcome MILT peak performer, Kiran G. Yay!
I think Kiran is not here. There's some bereavement in the family. That's what you've been told. Okay, so go ahead.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, my next call goes to a hardworking and empathetic person who's an IT project manager managing software implementation for the Al Futtaim Group Dubai. Let's welcome peak performer Karthik Kumar.
Yay.
Hey, come on.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Having attended many leadership, communication development, and spiritual courses in the past, Peak Performer Workshop from MILT is something unique which focuses on the holistic transformation of individuals. Not everyone is a born leader, but all of us have leadership quality and responsibilities towards the betterment of our society. This course from MILT is tapping our potential directly, which helped me to realize that I can do much more than what I'm doing right now. In this course, I've learned to accept the people without any judgment, practice the human relationship principles, and also I've realized that I have a bigger responsibility in my life. I believe I've got the right tools and motivation to focus on the bigger picture. As the saying goes, we cannot help everyone, but everyone can help someone. With these skills, I will support the underprivileged children in our society and build a platform to develop more and more young leaders who will in turn change the world for good. And I'd like to thank the MILT Foundation and Danny and Mr. Velu for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Wow, that's well said, Karthik. Amazing.
Very well, very well done. Very well done.
Thank you so much. Indeed, MILT is overall development program. It's not just a course. It's a life-changing experience. Thank you so much. Now, this peak performer who shared his own life experience of discrimination of people in the name of caste and creed is a big social evil in the session. He really touched upon the points very well. He is a tool room manager at Gulf Extrusions LLC from the land of tallest building in the world of Dubai. Put your hands together to welcome MILT peak performer Suresh Annadurai.
Yes, Suresh.
Good evening, friends. The PPW by Danny made a significant shift in my life, through which I could realize the leadership qualities in myself, and also it taught us the selfless life which we can live, and also the contributions what we can give it to the society. I would like to take this special moment to thank Mr. Velu for introducing me to this fraternity. For the past 4 weeks, people around me were talking about me. I know that there are some positive feedbacks which are coming towards me, which is because of the HR principles which I am trying to live by. Also, with the 2 minutes peak performance talk, which Danny has pushed us, and through which I also pushed myself out from my comfort zone, and I could able to lift my life up. I could relate Danny as an alchemist who is transforming soil into gold. I had made the changes in my life, and he had done a good job. I mean to say, a remarkable changes in my life. I could able to form, reform, and transform. And I take a pledge now to reform to uplift the lifestyle of the underprivileged people. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Very well said, Suresh. Come on, great job.
Yay! Wonderful, Suresh. The idea of reforming and transforming. And truly, Danny works as an alchemist in all our lives. And Milt has been the most instrumental platform in all our lives. That's the reason we are all here for. Ladies and gentlemen, let me now call upon a sweet and talented young lady who's still a student from the antique city of Bahrain. Let's give it up for peak performer, Krisha Kishore Patel.
Hey.
Sujata, I think she's not there. She's
okay.
Okay, right. Next, go.
Okay. Now comes the person who waited for 7 long years to reach Dubai and settle in his life. Now he is settled and he is helping other people to fulfill their dreams. This person, he is an operation manager at Unipack Containers and Carton Products LLC. Let's put your hands together to welcome Milt peak performer, Satish Kamath.
Yay, Satish. Come on, let's celebrate. Satish. Satish was there. Okay.
I think he lost his connection.
Yeah, maybe some network. Let's move ahead. If he's back, we'll call him. Ladies and gentlemen, my next call goes to a calm and composed, patient, dynamic associate professor working with the University of Wollongong from the extravagant city of Dubai. Let's give it up for peak performer, Balan Sundarakani.
Good evening, my dear friends and Miltonians. It's my pleasure to join with this peak performers workshop amidst the pandemic time. And I felt tremendous improvement in all my personal dimensions of the aspects that I am developing and transforming into. I felt this peak performers workshops is a great, kind of leadership development course built on the fundamentals of human relations and also the leadership quality that are very important for the transformation of at this time. So I personally gained a lot of improvements in all the dimensions that I felt that I need to improve, particularly the emotional aspects of improvement, helped me to make and transform into a leader from a teacher. So I would like to continue the human relation principles and also follow these principles in all my aspects of life. And I feel this is a very important aspect. So thank you for Danny for this wonderful workshop and Mr. Velu for bringing this opportunity. And I feel this is a wonderful opportunity at this point in time. Thank you.
Yay.
Come on, let's celebrate. Yay, boy.
Yay.
Thank you, Balan. Yes, living by the principles, that's what makes our life meaningful. Thank you so much. Good. Here comes the tall, handsome boy, energetic boy. He strongly spoke on giving equal importance to the female and male athletes in the country. Has really touched upon its content. Thank you so much. He is an engineering student and also very dashing, energetic, the land of beautiful beaches of Chennai. Put your hands together to welcome Milt peak performer, Ganesh Kanderi.
Yay, Ganesh.
Come on, Ganesh. Yay.
Hello, guys. I'm very happy and delighted to be trained by Daniel and to be a part of Milt family, who helped me to understand the real importance for a leadership role and also the point on relive the moment. The lesson that I learned was how to be a person of fresh thoughts, how to have optimistic approach, and a gentle behavior and a confidence to present in front of everyone. This peak performer workshop is making our life superior with HR principles that guide our life as we want and how we want to live them in order where we can correlate to it. I'd also like to thank all the people who spoke and performed during the sessions, because your speech, one way or the other, it has created a positive impact on me and I can feel the change. Trust me, this workshop has created a purpose in my life. Wanted to say thank you again to Daniel and the MILT Association for training me for the past few weeks. I learned a lot. Actually, I feel that I have learned everything seeing your process and the early sketches, and also coming up with ideas and concepts so fast was mind-opening. Thank you guys.
Yeah, boy.
Wow, that's great, Ganesh. Come on.
Yes.
Yes, yes, Ganesh. Thank you. MILT has definitely influenced everybody positively, created the optimistic outlook, and given us a lot of immense innovation to come out of our comfort zones. And ladies and gentlemen, I now call upon a tech-savvy, immense digital person who works as a software engineer with Wipro Technologies from the grand city of Dubai. Let's welcome with zeal and energy, MILT peak performer, Srinivasan Muthu Kumarasamy.
Hey.
Thank you, Sujata, for the great introduction. Good evening to all. I didn't know about that MILT the day before training started. Velu called me. Srini, he explained about what is MILT and what about that performance PPW. He advised, Srini, this is the best platform for you. You just join. Without any doubt, I just joined. Now I came to know that the past 7 weeks, how the transformation I have, but the first week, but the second week, I could able to relate that transformation. Particularly, I learned how it impacts your communication when you are adding your own feeling, personal emotion in it. And it is there is a very minimum time how you can express yourself that, and especially many things for your leadership's quality. And especially that HR sessions, there I learned to listen the emotions of the others. All the Miltonians, they have shared their feelings. I had a chance to listen that all the feelings and the emotions. And particularly, I wanted to say this, there is a card for HR, human resource, sorry, HR card. Really, that card helps me, my life, a day-to-day, changing my life. And I'm sure, I believe that now I have started the new dimensions of my career. I can showcase myself to my society, see what is the difference I have done. So if I can, then you also can. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Velu and Daniel and my Miltonian friends, especially the MILT Foundation. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Wow, straight from your heart. Thank you, Srini. Good rock, man.
Great.
Yes, Srinivasan. This is only about the course you said. Be with the MILT and see the difference yourself. This is all the transformation you can see that where to where. Thank you so much. That's from the heart. You spoke from your heart. That's very nice. Here, now my next call goes to the young and energetic person from the city of Mumbai. He really spoke on the begging on the street is a money-making profession. We as a responsible citizens, just handing out, we are responsible to create more beggars in the city. Yes, it is a very heart-touching topic he spoke. He is an engineering graduate. And also, he is a son of my dear Miltonian friend, Veeresha Rao. Let's welcome this MILT peak performer from the Bollywood city of Mumbai, MILT peak performer, Yashash Rao.
So, MILT Peak Performance Workshop, it has really been an incredible journey. So, it has helped me to come right out of my comfort zone. So, it has helped me to become speak effectively and express even much more better. So today, I really say that it has enhanced my speaking capabilities in front of the public. Living by the HR principles in my day-to-day life has definitely transformed me to become a better human being and a reasonable one. When I would speak with people, I would really know that I was able to connect with them and they had a liking towards me. In my HR sessions, when I would listen to my HR members speaking about their life, that's when I realized how important it is to be a good speaker and not to be judgmental in life. The HR principles and the leadership qualities that I have developed through this platform, I'll always remember to abide by it and help and contribute in people's life. I thank my Miltonian parents for giving me such a great opportunity. I thank Danny for teaching and training me so well. And congratulations, everyone. We did it. Huh?
Yeah, fantastic. Let's celebrate.
Great one, Yash. Amazing. Hey.
Yes. Well said.
Hey.
You are lucky to, get trained by Miltonians with this young age. Thank you so much for that wonderful words. Yes, all the graduates, congratulations and all the very best. But graduation day means culmination of your days and weeks of perseverance. But in MILT, graduation means your journey starts with MILT now. Friends, this very peak performance workshop, for many, it is a pinnacle. For some, it is a landmark. And for most, it's a milestone, a prominent milestone towards the roads of your further accomplishments.